vision problems that may impede in a student academic performance. Imagine a learner struggling to see the board clearly or discern colors from a distance. If such issues are left undetected, can significantly impact their ability to perform at their best. Likewise, our audiologist is committed to addressing hearing impairments that may otherwise go unnoticed, hindering students from fully comprehending lessons. A student with hearing loss may find themselves at a disadvantage, struggling to keep up with the curriculum and risking underperformance. Through our program, we aim to identify and mitigate hindrances, ensuring that no student is left behind. Ngoba sesishilo ukuthi yomlomo noma mhlawumbe amazinyo, i-self-esteem yakho iyaye ibe compromised. Ukucompromiseka kwe-self-esteem lokho sokusho ukuthi indlela ozoperforma ngayo, even i-confidence yakho igcina isinjani, isi-compromised. Siyazi ukuthi mangabe uleka i-confidence, uleka i-self-esteem, angeke uzoperforme equally nomuntu one full confidence, nomuntu one full self-esteem. So, in tackling these issues, we said, sizophuma, siwuthathe lelithabathe uhambo, silithathe leli joko lokuthi senze show ukuthi wonke umfundi une access to dental health mahala ha. As we extend our gratitude to Dr. Mthethwa, a founder of Empangeni Health Clinic, for joining hands with us in this noble cause, we also recognize the vital role of our GP. Beyond routine medical checkups, our GP is an advocate for overall well-being, identifying potential health risks and guiding students towards a healthier life. Ngoba bese ngishilo ukuthi sonke sinensekelelo yokuthi siguqule umphakathi wethu noma singeke sikwazi ukuguqula konke, kodwa lokho esingakwenza kungenza umehluko omkhulu emphakathini wethu. Udokotela wethu uzokwazi ukuthi a-check overall well-being of ama students, ama learners ema high school nasema primary school mahala ha. In our commitment to making a difference, this program is designed to be accessible to all learners regardless of their financial status. Hence, each learner will contribute a minimum of 100 Rand for only administration. The aim is to ensure that health is not a commodity, but rather a birthright. Ngoba sengishilo ukuthi health should not be reduced to a commodity, especially for people who really does not afford, such as learners. Because we cannot shy away from the fact that we are from different communities. We are from different homes. And it should not be put as a burden for a learner for the fact that I was born Kwamnguni, whereby they do not afford me an optometrist, whereby they do not afford me audiological checkups, and so on. It should not be a burden to me and also impact my future. Because as it may impact a future of a single child, it will also impact the future of the entire country, because besike sasho sathi inkunzi isematholeni. This program goes beyond the traditional model of health services. It is merely a clinic. It is not merely a clinic. It is a movement of change. It is an initiative that bridges convenience to learners, ensuring that they do not have to be absent from school to access health services. umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu. So iprogram yethu into emnandi ngayo nezosiza ngayo izosiza kahle kahle ukuthi abafundi bengaphazamiseki ezifundeni zabo ngayo yonke indlela. Mawukuthi khona umfundi onenkinga yokubona siyafika sakwazi ukuthi si identify leyo nto leyo at an early stage because we'll be visiting ama primary school nama high schools. So siyakwazi ukuthi at an early stage sikwazi ukudictate ukuthi no yazini ngoba engaperform nakahle kanje esikoleni the problem is akakwazi ukubona kahle ebhodini akakwazi ukubona kahle ama colors. So we have people who are professionally trained to do that job and we are rendering that service for free to our society. To further extend the reach of this initiative, we propose introducing a health awareness day to the Department of Health, much like a sport day and cultural activities. This day can also be pivotal in ensuring health and wellness among students is reachable for all. Health is not just an extramural activity, it is the core of students' overall well-being. So also, we would like to actually introduce a wellness day. Siyazi ukuthi sinawo ama sports day which are also very important for ukuthi ama students together to socialize and also to gain skills. Sinama cultural days whereby students can gather and embrace our cultures. But as Imanyoni Dental Care siyayibuza ukuthi where is our wellness day? So we would like to actually introduce a wellness day whereby we come timelessly to actually do checkups for students. If kuwukuthi khona umfundi nansi enye into engafuna ukuthi ngiyishiye ngaphandle mawukuthi sike safika esikoleni safika sathola ukuthi umfundi unenkinga yamehlo angisho mangabe nenkinga yamehlo enevision baye abenza abakwa optom baye bethi it's a problem of accommodation but accommodation I think somewhere in the studies I came across that section whereby they talk about accommodation ukuthi adjust i-vision ekwi-distance noma mhlawumbe kunenkinga yoku-adjust i-vision ekwi-distance noma i-vision eseduze into kanjalo. So mangabe kuwukuthi sifika umfundi unaleyo nkinga leyo siyakwazi ukuthi simlethele izibuko lezi zibuko enithola ngo-4,000 bani banedura mahala ngaphandle ukuthi akhokhe isenti mahala ha. In our unwavering commitments to the well-being of our students and community, we are proud to announce that all these services provided through our school visit program will be offered entirely free of charge. Mahala ha. Whether it involves the provision of eye glasses, like I mentioned, to ensure visual clarity, dental treatments to promote overall health, or necessary medication prescribed by our GP, Dr. Mtsetwa. Every aspect of our comprehensive health initiative is designed to be accessible and cost-free for all students. Our goal is to break down financial barriers and ensure that every learner, regardless of their economic status, can access the care and support they need to thrive. They need to thrive academically and personally. This commitment reflects our belief that health is a fundamental right, and we are dedicated to making a positive impact on the lives of our students without imposing any financial burden. Ngoba bese ngeke ngachaza ukuthi mina ngisuka kwaManyoni noma ngisuka kwaMnguni baya afforda ukuthi ngikwazi ukubona udokotela kwaManyoni aba afford ngenze example njalo ngisho ukuthi aba afford kaManyoni noma aba afford kaMnguni ngisuka isisuka endaweni ehlukene akungabe sekuba umthwalo wabantwana ku-impacta nekusasa labo ukuthi ngingagcina ngingafikanga enyuvesi ngenxa ukuthi benginenkinga yokubona ibhodi ngasikhathi uthisha efundisa leyo nto leyo ayangasukunyelwa at an early stage. So siyimanyoni dental care sisithathile leyo responsibility noma singeke sikwazi ukuthi sikuguqule konke abafundi ababhekene nako noma imiphakathi yethu ebhekene nako. Kodwa in this context we actually took a responsibility to say let's go out and try and settle what we can. In conclusion, tonight is not just about celebrating the gala. It is about celebrating the spirit of generosity and collaboration that fuels the school visiting program. Let us make this initiative a shining example of how, with a simple gesture, we can make a profound difference in the lives of our learners and communities. Thank you very much for an essential part of this transformative journey. Enjoy the evening. Thank you very much.
Hey bese ngihamba. Sengihamba. Siyabonga. Mngoni. Yasi speech. Hey bafethu. Isona mfethu, isona. Usukhathele ukushuta. Zingaki izithombe kaMngoni lapha yala ekamereni. Into sazoyidelete. Ayushuthi uzukhathale. Lo cameraman ubela uze wahlehla wayale wamzuma out wamzuma in lutho. Umnguni wathi nje. Siyabonga Mnguni mfethu. Ucabanga ukuthi uthinta into eziningi kakhulu. Sengisho ukuthi nangomcimbi ozayo nazi ukuthi umnguni usewukhavile. Yabona manje sacabanga nje ukwenza umcimbi wama optometrist. Siqediwe leyo nto lapha kuma dental care. Anti uyabona. Cabanga ama hearing nani asiyisummarize sihlakaniphe kabe thina abazalwane. Simshayile izandla ezinkulu baba uMnguni. Siyabonga. Siyaqhubeka nohlelo lwethu. Sozama nje ukuthi sigijime number fethu ngizongibona nginyamalala khona la because I have another commitment. Ngithanda nje into eyodwa. Mina ngiyangibambe nje into eyodwa umuntu mayikhuluma. Uthi baba uMnguni kwenziwa yini pho? Uma sesifuna impilo yethu which is a birthright. Bese masifika lapha yana nizosikhokhisa ama consultation. Yabona manje baba uMnguni mina sengizohamba ngiyongena kwi surgery with confidence. Phela singabazalwane ngemivimbo yakhe siphilisiwe. So akungamali impilo awu amazwi kaMnguni athi imahala ha. So ngifuna ukubona kahle odokotela bakhona la ngoba angisayi kwabanye sengiza kuwena nje ngoba uwena owazi udaba manje. Waqala nje wakhuluma indaba ye consultation nemali ngivele ngishaya umhlabelelo omncane ngithi Christ died for me. Yes, I believe and he arose. He to set me free, to say, oh, I love oh, my Redeemer. Nihleka umuntu omdala. Because he died for that cry. Because he died for me, who am I? Who am I? Uzosala-ke wena nomjovo wakho sengihlabelele mina uwe nama-gloves nomjovo uzoyiphuza wena leyo mithi leyo. In the name of Jesus. Siyaqhubeka bafowethu. Ngishilo ngathi maduze nje ngizobe senginyamalele. Ngiyanithanda kakhulu, ngiyabonga umcimbi wenu ungiphakamisile nami igama lami. Uma sewuveza izithombe zakho usho ukuthi ubani obe uMC. Hawu nikhona abasalwane. Oh amen. Right now ngicela siphuthume siye kule item elandelayo, words of support. Words of support. After this item, elandelayo item is my last item for me for the night. Anginishiye ezandleni ezintekenteke ukhona umfowethu ozoqhubeka uhlelo ngendlela enamandla bafowethu. Ngiyacela kodwa ukuthi nje manje sithi nje word of support sicele uMr and ilokhuzana yami ngoba ishintshile ngishiye lapha. Oh isesingqeni. Cha hayi ngoba ngimbukela phansi bazolana ukuthi mhlawumbe igama lakhe seliqhamuka ngapha, cha yimi nje obeka iprogram kabi. Xolise kakhulu bangcwele akukuhle khona. Words of support by Mr N Nyawo, cela simshayile izandla ezinkulu ba uNyawo. Angithi ke baba uNyawo useza nje. Ayithi umzwile umnguni, hayi sondela baba sondela. Ayithi umzwile umnguni uthinta into eziningi kakhulu. Usesuke wathinta nalezi ezinye zakho futhi na into engingayithandi ngaye. Uyabona usesuke wathathana lapha kanti nawe ubuvela uzoyisho le yanto. Uyabona ile nto engingayithandi kahle. Kodwa ke vele uyiyeke leziyana. Uyabona uthathe lezi ezisele uthi nje capho ngiyakwazi ke. Ngiyakwazi. Uyindoda enamandla. Ngeke uzongiphoxa namhlanje simshayile izandla ezinkulu basalwane. Nizoyibona into engisho.
Ngicela ukubingelela. Ngizoqala ukubingelela uprogram director wethu Simunye Church Boy. Ngibingelela noNtosh ngimbonile naye la khona. Ngokukhethekile ngicela ukubingelela uDokotela uManyoni. Simbiza ngosizo ke thina la esiphoyiseni. Usizo nethimba lakho lonke lo dokotela elikhona. Ngibingelele abaphathi bogcobo abakhona phambi kwethu. Distinguished guest noma ngithi nje protocol observed ukuze kuzobalula kuzoshesha. Okhuluma phambi kwenu uSayitsheni uNB wakwaNyawo. Ngisebenza la eMpangeni police station. Ngikulezi icathulo ngidelegateiwe by my superiors oku Lieutenant Colonel Umathe ongekho phakathi kwethu kanye no Brigadier Uthango ophethe stage saseMpangeni SAPS ekufanele ngabe bakhona la. Kodwa ngebhadi elisehlele su SAPS sikhungathwe yife elimnyama. Ngiyaxolisa nje ukuthi iprogram ithi phezulu bese ngiyehlisa ngiyisa kule level esogcina ithi ibe kwisom remote kancane. Sibe neshwa lokuthi omunye woza kwethu last week Thursday ebhekene nempi nesigebengu wasala enkundleni washona. So uLieutenant Colonel Umathe akekho nje phambi kwethu uyo attenda lo mcimbi ukuthi kulungiseleke onke amalungiselelo okufihla wakhe kusasa ngoba lonke uhlobo lwesikhulu esinalo kwa SAPS luzobe liyofihla lela thambo lethu elisilahlekele noma lela gazi elichithekile kwa SAPS. So sicela uxolisa kakhulu ungabikho kaKhenela Umathe phambi kwenu. ngigqoke izicathulo zakhe ziyangisinda ke ngoba uKenneth Lumathe umuntu ogude kulento yokukhuluma umuntu ogude yokunetworker iplatform yakhe le kodwa sithe asingalenzi iphutha lokuthi singawu attend lo mcimbi kaManyoni because uSizo sesihambe naye ibanga elide uyasilekelela ngayo yonke indlela manje understand uSAPS uyi non profit asinayo imali engenayo kodwa siyelesithanda ukwenza ama programs nathi to plow back emphakathini sibe nama sport day konke lokhu uSizo uyafaka isandla ukuthi asilekelele lawo ma program abe impumelelo kwa SAPS so siyabonga Manyoni nethemba lakho. I'll be failing my duties kodwa ke uma ngingeza ukuthi si share nani nje mhlambe ama safety tips amancane before ngisuke ku podium ngoba izinto ezincane ezishayayo lezi ukuthi noma nini masithola iplatform sengathi singayicoxa nomphakathi ukuthi bafowethu kunamacala anzekalayo kodwa singawagwema ngizoqala nje mhlawumbe ngizobeka u3 kuphela bese ngiyehla ngiyehlalweni sami ukuthola ukuthi emakhaya la sihlala khona sigqekezelwa njalo umbuzo ukuthi why sigqekezelwa njalo asiyona nathi ingcenye ukuthi sigqekezelwe mhlawumbe umunye uzovela aphendule nje bluntly athi asiyona ingcenye not knowing ukuthi indirectly nathi siyingcenye ngicela sigweme good people ukuthi uma uhamba ekhaya uposte ku social media off with my family to this beach we are post ithombe nefamily yakho yonke we are giving a signal kuma criminals ukuthi there is nobody home we can go there break in and take whatever we want to take and comb the house so please guide against that. 2 kunezinto ezincane ezenzayo like ukuthi uma ungekho ekhaya ushiya ama lights ekhaya njalo ubusuku nemini it's a signal kuyisigebengu leso ukuthi akekho umuntu lapha because ilight yakhanya emini ilight yakhanya ntambama so make sure ukuthi in terms of ama lights switch them on and off ngendlela efanele makusemini cisha phela ama lights kubonakala there are people abakhona ekhaya uzobalekela ukuthi unga attackwa izigebengu unnecessarily. 2 okwesithathu kwemaphela ukuthi lento yokufaka okhiya kwabafaka okhiya phansi komata sekuyaziwa nje ukuthi mobuye esikoleni ukhiya uzothola phansi kamata ophambi kwesicapha vele uyayisitting dark umuntu uyayithathela ukhiya ngisho ngaseyena wasekhaya uyavula uyayidalela afuna ukuyidala khona uyahamba so let us guide against those things ezincane ukubeka imigqomo just a simple thing a garbage bin ozolokhu ukhishwe kanye wabeka emgaqweni awulandwa it's a sign ukuthi akukho umuntu ekhaya ungalanda la mgqomo ofaya ngaphakathi njengoba uhlala izinsuku ezininganga ngaphandle ungafakwe ekhaya yabo izinto ezincane ngithi asiqapheleni good people ukuze singaqekezelwa njalo kanti thina we are giving a signal kuma criminals. Ngithinte futhi another point encane nje lokugqekeza kweimoto either use mall ukwi parking lot ndawo into esiyenzayo engiye ngiyibuke icommon kubantu abaningi umuntu ngeimmobilizer yakhe titi akekho ngisheduze kwemoto uyahamba ubheka le imoto akayithinte ngisho kuyithinta the safest option if une immobilizer titi check your handles ukuthi locked ngempela yini because into eyenzekalayo a simple remote nje leye gate umuntu ngathi wena uthi titi kweyakho nayo icofe yakhe izokhanya but ayizukulokheka imoto so uyafika umuntu uyayivula nje isicapho uyithathela yonke into esemotweni kuwena evaluable ekhona emotweni uhamba nawe uyafika wena pupu into zakhe ayisekho kanti we are the cause because uvela watiti wabheka le wangayithinta isicapha semoto okunye ngokweimoto good people make sure ukuthi awubeki izinto obala especially ama valuables. What I mean about ama valuables I mean ukuthi your laptops your bags whatever that is valuable ungakubeki kube visible kubonakale if indlela ikhona take all these valuables and put them in your boot endaweni safe noma ukufihle ngaphansi kwama seat because okunye ukuthola ukuthi wena awunakile ubeke nje just a simple change wama coins ku dashboard kuyiphara those simple coins kuyena is gold mine i-opportunity leyo that person will break into your car ebizayo that for that matter just ukuthi athathe lawo ama-coins nje owabeke kabo wena unganakile asikugwemeke lokho ilokho ebengisi ake sikuthinte about ukugqezwa kwey'moto. Lastly ngifuna ukuthinta yokugcina lento ye-fraud. I understand we are in a 21st century generation njengamanje. 4th industrial revolution. Sonke we are exploring in terms of buying online, everything we're doing online. We don't want to go and stand on long queues. Okay, fine, 21st century, but there are disadvantages yaleyo nto ukuthi sometimes singena kuma websites angalungile and we buy things uthola ukuthi ayifiki kuwena but usukhokhile. Ubona ama adverts either go Facebook ko bani ama adverts you communicate nomuntu efonini afune large sums of money ukuthi uyifake nawe uyifaka ngempela awukwazi umbone lo muntu face to face awumazi nokuthi ukuphi nokuthi uzwa nje ivoice athi umuntu ngunjabulo senenza ideal niyayiqeda efonini uzuyakhokha ngempela umuntu ungazi umbone uthenge imoto efonini uthenga imoto udeposit imali ngefoni. So ngiyacela good people ukuthi let us guys against lezi zinto ezincane ezenza ukuthi egcineni silahlekelwe imali kungenasidingo sivule amacala angenasidingo. So bengisi nje briefly ngizothi nje kube lawa ama safety tips bese ngibonga ithuba sicela ukuthi umcimbi awuqhubeke kahle amazwi engiphathisa abaphathi bami ukuthi manyoni sikuhloma uphaphele gwalagwala qhubeka kanjalo usiza abantu nakho nje manje uyezikoleni uyosiza izingane mahala ushilo umngoni lapha ukuthi uzobasiza mahala lokho kusiza thina singamaphoyisa because lama programs amancane asize kuthini the moment kune peace umuntu character yakhe noma iappearance yakhe happy ngayo ile bullying abekhulunywa ngayo ngebe bebikho ngesibe nama assault because ubani ozobe bullisha omunye umuntu at peace ngeappearance yakhe. So manyoni siqhubeka njalo ngeprogram yakho sizokusupporta su SAPS all the way ngiyabonga ngeplatform.
Zincane ke lezo zandla for usayitshela. Nami impela ngehlela ngezathu siyabonga. Sayitshela ngikuthinta into eziningi ezibalekile. Sesithole nama safety tips. Now ngiyagcina ukuma la ukwehla kwami ukuphuma ngempela sengiyahamba. Ngizokwenza ijoke eyodwa and kuyaniphoqa ukuthi nihleke vele soyogcina ngithi ngisayikhenya. Kuyaniphoqa ukuthi nihleke le joke lena ngiphume ngihambe. But then afterwards I'll be introducing basalwane benkosi in our midst. Sine artist elingelincane ujoyela abangakini phela wena ama local artist uGumede cha again Gumede lo enmaziyo wayishaya isiginci ngapha cha kune artist very serious but before ngimbize ngoba umuntu omkhulu bafowethu kufanele ngiyiprepare le ndawo le ushaya ijoke eyodwa uzoperformela kuphi phezulu phansi phezulu la phezulu isuseni ke lento ngoba ngiyamazi uma ezoza la phezulu nje lokhu kususeni ngempela futhi on a very serious note. Right, so this is my joke. Ma ungahlekanga kule joke hey mfethu eyinkinga zakho ngempela sezingaphezulu kwami ke manje. It's not my fault. Ningishutheni bafowethu kule joke yami. Thank you. Siyabonga bafowethu. Omabizo abasabele. Hawo lezi insizwa bathu. Siyabonga bafowethu. Right. So umpostoli uzongifakazela kule joke yami. inceku yenkosi. Inceku khona lento eziyenzayo zonke inceku angikhathali usontaphi. Uyazi angikhathali. Angimazi umfundisi wakho kodwa ngiyamazi ukuthi uyayenza lento engizokhuluma ngayo la. Thola umfundisi uyashumayela phambili. Ubamba i-microphone njengami uyazwakala yonke into ayishoyo. Bese bakhona ipoint elilodwa azolenza elimphoqa ukuthi i-mic ayisuse emlonyeni. Umbone seyibeka lapha esifubeni. The reason why enza leyo nto is because lento azoyisho ufuna ukuthi wonke umuntu ola ngaphakathi ayizwe kodwa umuntu odlula ngaphandle akangayizwa ngoba ingasimphazamisi. Ngizokwenzela thanda usontaphi mfundisi wakho ke wayenza le makuthi akaqhubeki namanje. Aqale kahle ke athi bazalwane ngiyacela mhlawumbe uyakhuza indaba yesikhathi. Athi ngiyacela bazalwane benkosi ke sifunde nokugcina isikhathi. Lento eyenza ukuthi siphume late esontweni ukuthi sifika late enkonzweni. Ngiyacela basalwane kube lona loyo ayifundise ukugcina isikhathi basalwane singaze ehlulwa abantu bakwaShembe. Apostoli niyosichazela ngelinye ilanga ukuthi wakwenza. Mina ngikhulele esontweni bafowethu. Mina ngihlonipha kabi inkonzo. Uma wami ilabo mama ba serious esontweni. Yabona labo mama enithi mase nithandaze nonke. Senine sure ukuthi nithandaze nonke bese kusala lo ya mama. Uma wami ke loyo. Angikhatha lonke isonto linaye lo mama loya osala yedwa. Mina ngiyamthanda lo mama. Kahle kahle abantu engazwani nabo yilabo sebeqedile ukuthandaza. Ngoba sinomkhuba ngazi uthatha phi thina abazalwane. Uma sesiqedile ukuthandaza sekusele lo mama yedwa. Ibandla lizwakala selokhu lithi nje. Hey kunjalo Nkosi. Hey siyabo ngecasulwe leyo nto ke mina ngoba ngalesikhathi nokulithi nca Nkosi niyamhlohla nje lo mama lona ukuthi aqhubeke lento. Uzoqeda nini ngempela? Lento ebeniyenza amakhulumo omnguni lokhu nishaya izandla niyamhlohla nje nokulokhuzana lapha. Uyayeye. Uyabona. Mina uma wami mina mangiphuma ekhaya ngihamba ngevarsity ngoba ngafunda mntaka baba ungangithathi kanjalo. Mangiphuma ngevarsity uma wabiza ihome cell wathi akuzothandazwa ekhaya. Ukhuleko wakhe ngiyawukhumbula ngawuthanda lapha ngasekuqaleni saxabana lapha ngasekugcineni. As you are preparing yourself my artist. Uma eqala uma wami sizwana kahle nomthandazo wakhe uqala ke kahle uthi baba ngiyacela njengoba lo mfana ehamba la ekhaya engawuphuza utshwala ngicela ahamba evarsity azabuye engawuthinta utshwala ngathi nca Nkosi. Wathi baba ngiyacela lo mfana nje bengawubhema ugwayi akahamba azabuye engawuphafuza ugwayi ngathi kunjalo Nkosi ngamhlohla kanti useya lapha ngasekugcineni uzoyilahla. Wathi baba ngiyacela njengoba lo mfana ehamba la ekhaya eyisishimane ngicela baba hamba ngathi mana ke wo umuntu akayikhulekele yena bakithi. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome on stage in 5 4 3 2 1 uThobekile shaya izandla ezinkulu. Welcome on stage. Thank you so much Sibuya.
Injongo yami ukumkhonza uJesu ukumkhonza abathandekayo ukuthi injongo yami nakulezi insuku ezinje ukumthanda nje. Ngeke ngavukela umhlabelelo lo nje uthi mangihambe imihla yonke kanye nawe. Zikhona izinto ezithi angihlale phansi. Kodwa imihla yonke Jesu mangihambe nawe. Kuyenyukela noma kuyehlela. Jesu mangihambe nawe. Noma sengigula ngingasakwazi ukukhuluma makwenzeka. Ningangisi kwezinye indawo kodwa Jesu mangihambe nawe. Sanibonani bathandekayo. Abanye bangibhekisisa ukuthi unciphile. Ngizamile ukuncipha kwangancipheka. Ngazama ama diet wonke akwenzekanga. Ngamukeleni ke bazalwane nginje. Into engijabulisayo uthe njengoba ngizonyukela stage umuntu obenza stage wathi ukade sesungagidi kakhulu. Angibona ne weight. Hallelujah. Ikhona imfana eyahlasha ngenxa yethu. Iyabona amaJuda ilena ethi ikhona imfana. Ikhona imfana eyahlashwa ngenxa yethu. Iyabona umvuzo omkhulu. Wanginika umvuzo omkhulu. Ihi, ihi.
Ngicela simshayele izandla sesithobekile. Awuphendukele kumakhelwane ethi sawubona makhi. Angithathekele lithuba ngibingelele bazalwane amen. Akusena ke uChurch Boy lo sekuyimina. Awutshela makhelwane sekuyimina. Cha bazalwane asibonge kakhulu nami sengibona sisithobekile abaphathi bami Nkosi yami ngimncane Dr Manyoni nami nje ngiyinjela nje ngimncane kuneMrs Nzama la u district director wethu ngoba nami ngiyisikhulu nje siphezulu alibonga igama lenkosi noma esimlambo ngicela sibashayele izandla ezinkulu yes yeah abaphathi bami lapha eminyangweni wezemfundo ningangiboni nginjena nje angimncane nami Ngiphethwe alibonga igama lenkosi. Siyabonga kakhulu ku Church Boy, siyabonga kakhulu kuzo zonke izikhulumi. Bafowethu ko iphiwo ngeziphiwo ke. Mina ke nginjena nje. Iphiwo ngeziphiwo. Ngizoqhubha nje uhlelo. Angiye Church Boy asifani. uNkulunkulu wami ayi. Isiphambana kufunga esontweni. Ngizocela ke ukuba singene ohlelweni lethu siqhubhe neprogram yethu. Siya ku item number 4, which is entrepreneur coaching by Mr. Estelle. Siyacela ke eze ngaphambili. Uyahlabelela ke ngangimfundisa ka first year. Ngangimfundisa ka first year. Ngicela simshaye izandla ke zeza ngaphambili. Zeza ngaphambili simshaye izandla zeza ngaphambili. Nkosi yami. Mina ngiyena ku Church Boy ngubaba uMkhwanazi, Sithembiso kaMkhwanazi. Bafethe ekhaya sakamthetho. Ngicela sifike simshayele izandla enkulu singabi namona hayi. Singabi namona. Simshayele izandla. Ubaba uMkhwanazi ungakhohle ukungisho ukuthi ngubaba uMkhwanazi.
Thank you so much, Program Director, Mr. Mkhwanazi. Mhlawumbe umuntu akaqale nje ngokuqala ebingelele i-leadership ekhona ngokwezikhundla zayo. Ama-stakeholders akhona and all our attendees today, especially the young entrepreneurs, which I'm going to be representing on my speech today. Igama lami ke nguSibusiso Sicelo Cele from Umfolozi local municipality, where I serve as a youth council chairperson as well as the education and training portfolio head. There is something called stage fright, which is a very serious phenomenon in our young generation, particularly the young entrepreneurs who at times are expected to deliver pitch presentations, marketing and sales presentations, etc., etc. So being a young community leader and entrepreneur myself, it is platforms like this which gives us an opportunity to face, fight, conquer and overcome this phenomenon, and furthermore, subsequently, come out to be stronger young leaders and entrepreneurs, and with more confident skills of leadership in order to lead our young society. In my speech today, I'm going to explain 5 ways which lead us to become successful as young entrepreneurs. Firstly, it's turning your business, or rather your idea, into a business. By first manifesting your idea. What is manifesting? Manifesting ukucabanga ngento ngaphambi kokuthi uyenze. A business is something that first comes to your mind, mostly when you go to bed, before you go to sleep. You will manifest it, you will imagine it, you will have ithombe zayo lento yenzeka, zayo lento uyenza futhi iphumelela. Ifika lesi stage ofisa sifike kusona. Before ukuthi uzothatha ipen nephepha uyibeke phansi. First you manifest it. Ngaphandle ke manifestation, then definitely the outcome, or rather the implementation of your business, is bound not to be a success, because how you visualize awayicabanga kuqala wayibona iyenzeka. There is something actually I look sure DJ Sbu of Imofire to say, fake it until you make it. And there is something that he usually says, which is a law of attraction. Attract something that you want to be part of, or that you want to initiate. Appreciate it as well. So it's manifestation and conceptualizing that manifestation. Usumanifestileke manje wayibona uyiqala ibhizinisi lakho. Iconceptualize ke manje ke uthi put together all of these ideas that you have manifested. Zonke lezi wombe zebhizinisi lakho ofisa uqala that you have manifested. Usayiconceptualize ke manje ugoqa into one concept to say this is how I want to structure it with a idea. From conceptualization, you now come up with the key mechanisms of implementation, whereby you now set the ideas and the structures of how you are going to take your concept and implement it ukuze wazi ukuthi iqale ikusebenzele with ama objectives akho ukuthi wazi ukuthi uwa overcome noma uwafeze wonke okungama fruits of first manifestation, conceptualizing, and then implementing. The founder of Microsoft, Mr. Bill Gates, had an idea, or rather had a dream, that people will have their own personal laptop one day. But the people laughed at him, and his dream is now a reality. As we speak today in this room, more than 50% of the people who are attending this event are the owners of the computers. So, with that being said, dare to dream. If you dare to dream, you can turn the dream into reality through hard work, dedication, determination, and faith. Secondly, consistency. As young entrepreneurs and aspiring entrepreneurs, we must do ourselves a favor by making a move right now. Do not wait for the right moment, because there is no such. Because there is no such. And then if we do not do our part in working on our goals every day, then surely nothing will be accomplished. We can start running businesses while we are teenagers. Business opportunities are everywhere. So, such as cooking, designing clothes, and more, do not be embarrassed as a young person to sell things to the people, because a home business can be developed into a huge company if it is managed well and if it is conceptualized well. Startup capital, startup capital is mostly one of the big problems in establishing or running your business. Most of the young entrepreneurs in the building would say, we have so many big ideas that we want to do, but then, or rather businesses that we want to start, but because there are no resources and we do not have capital, then we end up not being able to comment. So use your creativity. Start with a business idea that is not going to need a paper money, that is going to just need your creativity. Be creative. For instance, you start up a campaign, or let me say, for instance, myself. I have, it's called TSS, Chalimbeo Student Support, whereby we are doing programs in assisting the school kids in high school level, particularly grade 11 and 12, with maths and science. That business, when I started it, it didn't need capital. But someone else would say, hey, I need to have a laptop, I need to have this, I need to have a Wi-Fi, so that the students will be able to conduct their data research using the Wi-Fi. I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to need my desk and everything in order for my Chalimbeo student support program to begin. No, be creative. Put down everything, conceptualize it, put it into structures, see who the people are going to need. Who is the market? The market is the students. The students are abazali. Speak to the parents. Parents, I am starting this initiative. I am going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4, but we need to enroll the students in order for us to comment with the studies. Use your creativity. Call abazali, who are going to be the account payers, who will come in one room and have a meeting with them and say, we are starting with the registration. Here is an enrollment fee, and we are commenting with the classes on this date. Automatically, ama students, or rather the market, which is the students who are going to be attending or be part of the program, then you already have money in the account to sustain the business. To start now, to say, okay, fine. The students, they're paying so much, and now 6,000, I can take 1,000 rands and buy ilokuzana manje. I've already conceptualized, and I know exactly the items that is needed in order for Chalimbeo student support to be sustainable, in order for it to operate as well. I now take from exactly the money that was paid by the parents to purchase the Wi-Fi, to pay for Telkom, Wi-Fi was and so forth. So what I'm trying to say is use creativity. And then when the subscription continues, I didn't need the capital in order to start, but I used the creativity to put these people together in one room in order for the program to commence. So use your creativity. My business mentor, Mr. Marcus Esterhazy, normally says to me, and I quote, do not put too much pressure on yourself. Always, in business, just like in a tree, there are low-hanging fruits, there are medium-hanging fruit, and there are top-hanging fruit. Always start with the low-hanging fruit. Ngeke ufice isihlahla samagwava, kukhona amagwava ale ngaphansi, nale ngaphakathi, nale ngaphezulu, wena bese uthi ufuna leli liphezulu. Qala ngalawa phansi phela, uhleli nje phansi, uyi-comfort zone yakho. Udonse wona lawa udle ukuzothola strength to be able to escalate to the medium hanging fruit, from there to the top hanging fruit. So use your creativity. Uthi business lakho ukuze uqale umuntu omncane. How are you going to tackle it until uthi fike lesa stage? You start with the low hanging fruit, the medium hanging fruit, as well as the top hanging fruit. Fourthly, it's networking. A sociable and extroverted person, or rather personality, is fundamentally needed in running a business. We must be sociable and build relationships and cooperation in order to sustain the business, and cooperation with peers in the same line of business, in order to envisage initiatives together and endeavor to form joint ventures. An extrovert person will easily get chance to build mutual partnership with other young entrepreneurs. Lastly, it's patient. Many young entrepreneurs fail in the first term of business because they cannot handle perilous obstacles. They become frustrated and devastated due to unsatisfying business outcomes, such as low profits, capital shortage, and more. Lese ngeke ngathinta kuyona ukuthi iyawuqeda umdlandla kumuntu omncane ukuthi eqale ibhizinisi lakhe because of the lack of these resources. So you must have a mindset that the first term of a business can be unprofitable, but there must be a time of a break-even point and followed by the time of profit. Last but not least, as a young entrepreneur, or as young entrepreneurs, we must bear in mind that being an entrepreneur does not necessarily have to interrupt our imperative duty as AMA students, for those of us who are still studying, because the very same studies are in return going to subsequently contribute towards a tremendous success of our businesses in the future. In conclusion, one wishes to express a heartfelt appreciation and gratitude on behalf of all the young entrepreneurs in the King Charles district and beyond, to all our service providers, the business development organizations, government departments, our municipalities as led by our Honorable Mayor, His Worship, Mr. Mtoli Ugodide, in his absentia. I didn't see him today. The honorable councillors and the officials that are working tirelessly to address the issues that we face as young entrepreneurs by delivering programs in support of, but not limited to, financial and non-financial. Babalile, may you continue to endeavor to create inclusive system in order to combat the ills of our young entrepreneurs. There is a gospel song that says, wababiza bonke uNoah wabakhela inqanawe ngoba ethi imvula iyeza. Nathi ke abantu abadala singabantu abasha abangosomabhizinisi abasafufusa, sithi sibizeni sonke nisicreate system, nisifake egumbini elilodwa okanye nisikhandele lenqanawe ukuze singanethwa izimvula zokuphumelela noma zokuwa kwamabhizinisi ethu ngenxa yokuswela ulwazi nanokuswela noma okungatholi ngokwanele isupport yokuthi amabhizinisi ethu ebe impumelelo. As I make my way back to my seats, I would like to send a special thanks to our host, Dr. Sizolwethu Manyoni of Manyoni Dental Care, for all the well-appreciated invitation, ma'am, and for indulging me with an opportunity to stand on this podium today and represent the young entrepreneurs of our society. Siyathokoza kakhulu Mlotshwa. Khoboza sithi izandla zedlula ikhanda ukwenza nakwabanye Msuthu, and may the Manyoni Dental Care grow beyond imaginable expectations. Ngiyathokoza kakhulu. Thank you so much.